Hello everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today video I am going to show you how to shoot my YouTube videos using mobile. So everyone may think I am using a good setup for uploading YouTube videos. To upload YouTube videos, I am simply maintaining three things only. That is this whiteboard, and its cost is 600 rupees. Okay, and one tripod. Okay, and its cost is like 600 rupees, and I'm using one mic, Boya mic, and one mobile. That's it. These three things only I'm using to shoot my videos. Some of the candidates they are commenting like sometimes your camera is not fixed. Yes, because I'm using to shoot my videos using mobile only. That is the reason it may not fixed. If anyone want help me to buy a new camera and a podcast, then it would be grateful to me to upload a quality videos, and those are very helpful for all freshers and experienced candidates. And I am trying to upload more and more technology related videos, like Java related videos and software testing related videos, and Python related videos, and React.js developer videos, front-end developer videos, database related videos, and HR related videos. Okay, so I am trying to plan more and more videos with tutorials. That is the reason I am planning to buy a new camera, and I will upload more quality videos in future. So let's see how I am going to shoot the videos and what are the tools I am using one by one. Okay, here is our setup. So this is a laptop and my PC, where I can edit my YouTube videos using this PC. Okay, and if you have good configuration PC, then you can edit any type of videos with the animation. Okay, so this is my laptop, and this is the whiteboard, marker whiteboard. Okay, so where I can write all key points here, and this is marker pens and duster, and this is a tripod which I used to shoot my YouTube videos, and this cost is a very low cost only, so local brand this one. So it's around 650 rupees cost only. Okay, and this is the Boya mic which I used mic to record a audio. Okay, and this is also one of the famous recorded audio using Boya one, and its cost is like 700 to 800 rupees. Now you can see how I am shooting my video with setup. So okay, I am just attaching my mobile to the tripod, and in front of the mobile I used to give sessions, so whatever the topic I choose. Okay, so this is the how exactly I shoot the YouTube videos using three things only, like tripod and Boya mic and whiteboard marker. Okay, that's all guys. Within limited cost only you can shoot YouTube videos, and you can share your knowledge, okay, to the world. One more thing guys, if you really feel very helpful our videos, please comment in the comment box. Your videos are very helpful. So if you do like that, I'm very happy with that. So that's all guys. This is what I'm doing to shoot my YouTube videos. Okay, so if you really like this video, please hit the like button and also comment in the comment section. Your videos are very helpful. Okay, so we'll meet in the next video, and happy weekend. Thank you very much.